Get some ideas and inspo for your home renovation in this home tour, featuring arcs and curves. When you enter the home, you will be greeted with these pretty tiles with a little curved corner, and a fluted panel cabinetry. Inside, a hidden shoe cabinet, bomb shelter, as well as the DB box where we added extra shelvings. Let's head to the kitchen, an open kitchen concept with the classic wood and white combi. What we really like is this tall unit. There is a flip up and slot in compartment with a power point inside where you can place your microwave and hide it when not in use. Over here we have a sauce cabinet and a corner unit with a double door for easy access, and alternate shelves to put items of various heights. Over on this side, we have some drawers, and we usually include a small drawer inside for your cutlery. Also, we are leaving these mermaid tiles for the backsplash, creating a continuity of curves throughout the home. Over at the peninsula, we have more storage with shelvings as well. On the other side, LED under the tabletop, creating a warm and inviting space. Ta-da! And 10 points to Bailey for the pose. Off to the common bath. We are absolutely in love with these louver doors and overlaid tiles. And also, look at this basin. Isn't it the cutest? Next, to the master bedroom with our signature curved corner wardrobe. Let's take a look inside. There's lots of storage space, and each and every shelf is curved as well. Behind this door, we placed a mirror so you can do fit checks. Another corner unit, but make it wardrobe edition. Over on the other side, a hanging rod and drawer combination. The master bath is really a vibe. Look at how the warm lights fill up the space, and these brick red tiles is the cherry on top. And that's all for this home tour. Hope you guys got some inspo for your own home reno. And thanks for watching!